And into this table, I am maintaining the values from primary key of DAPT. 4 times I am maintaining 10, 3 times I am maintaining 20, and 2 times I am maintaining 30. So, what department name of first employee? I can identify like this. Go and take the department number of first employee, that is 10. Go to DAPT table, verify 10 is there or not. Yes, 10 is there. Then fetch the department name of that employee is production. And number of employees under finance. Finance is identified with 30. Come to EMP table, where identify how many number of records having the value 30. 2 records. So totally 2 employees working under finance. What are the names of employees working under sales? Sales identified with 20. Come to EMP table, verify what are the records having the value 20. These 3 records are having the value 20. The names of employees are C, S and D, or working under sales department. So if you are using normalization process and if you have implemented relation between the tables, then automatically you are able to fetch any kind of information from the tables. That is the advantage. You are not missing any information. And say here we have no data duplicates, means there are no duplicate records. And remember one more point, anybody can ask you like, can I eliminate 100% duplicacy from the database? Again I am repeating, any interviewer can ask you like, can I eliminate or can I remove 100% data duplicacy from any database? If we delete like that, the database is not having a meaning. That's why maximum we have to eliminate the data duplicacy. Maximum we have to eliminate data duplicacy, but duplicacy should be existed to implement the relation. Here instead of maintaining records, duplicate records, I am maintaining only duplicate values in foreign key column. Foreign key column accepts the values from primary key only. Here we are having 10, 20, 30, any number of times it can accept. So foreign key column contains duplicates, as well as if you don't know an employee department number, you can also maintain null values. Foreign key allows duplicates and null values. Let us see if I can find out the size occupied by these 2 tables. Total it is occupying 45 KB. In the previous case, the denormalized data is occupying 54 KB. So denormalized data occupy more disk space than normalized data. Remember that point. Now, how can I implement referential integrity constraint? That can be done by using references keyword. So while implementing foreign key column in child table, again I am repeating, references keyword is used in implementing foreign key column. Foreign key column should be defined in which table? Child table. First we need a parent table, and after that we need a child table. In the child table we have to implement foreign key column. In the implementation of a foreign key column, I can use references keyword. That references keyword refers the values from primary key of parent table, refers the values from primary key of parent table into foreign key column. Again I am repeating, references keyword refers the values from primary key of parent table into foreign key column. Outside values are not allowed into foreign key column. Here I have given 2 examples, that is company details table I am considering and product details table I am considering. In company details I am defining a primary key, that is company ID. In product details I am defining a foreign key, that is called product company ID. Here I am using references keyword, references from which parent table? Company details parent table. From the company details parent table, what is the column? We have the company, we have the primary key, that's company ID. So I will show you how to define a foreign key with the user defined constraint also. Let us see. Company ID, I am using constraint pk underscore company ID. Okay, that is primary key. I am maintaining user friendly constraint name. instead of predefined constraint number. Here also I can do like this, separate it, come to here, and here constraint, the constraint fk underscore product company ID. Fk I am defining on the column product company ID. So that is a foreign key column, foreign key, and I am applying foreign key on which column? Product company ID. So into the product company ID, the values should be references from company details table. From the company details table, from the primary key column, company ID. In this way, you have to define the foreign key column. Remember that point. Yeah. So let me create these tables now. I am going to create the parent table first, and I can enter these records into the parent table. Let us see. The table which is having primary key is considered as parent table. Again I am repeating, listen carefully. The parent which is having a table which is having primary key column, that can be considered as a parent table at any moment for any number of tables. And let me take the records of parent table. 4 records are there. And let me insert these records into the table, company details table, that was inserted, and use commit. Next, go for creation of child table. This is the child table, the table which is having foreign key column, that is called as child table. Name is already used by existing object. Product details table already used by existing object. So let me drop the table product details. If I can drop it, I can create this table again. Let it drop. That was dropped. Now let me create the table again, product details table. Yes, table is created. Let me insert the values, insert the records into the table, product details. These are the values I am going to insert. Yes, here unknown command beginning years, something is went wrong in the second record or third record. Up to here, let me commit this and let me select the data from the table. Select star from company details. So these are the companies I have, 4 companies, and let me select star from product details. So these are the products we are having from different companies. See, if you are trying to insert any other code, company code for the product company ID, if you are trying to insert like a CMP05, then it is not in the primary key column list. Then it will raise error message. Something, it was not inserted. Let me go here. Just a moment. Instead of CMP03, let me place CMP05 or CMP06. Actually, CMP05 is not a valid company code. you are trying to insert this record, then it shows error message. What kind of error message it will show? Integrity constraint is violated. Integrity constraint is violated. Check here. See here. Integrity constraint is violated. What is the integrity constraint violated? You are violating foreign key constraint. So parent key not found is your error message. Parent key not found. So you are inserting a record. In this record, we are unable to find out the specified parent key value, that is CMP05 is not available from the parent. That's why it is not going to be inserted. So instead of 5, if I can use any other value, say here, instead of 5 I am going to use 2. Yes, it is accepted. If it is null, that was already accepted. Yeah, so you can insert null values and duplicate values, but the values should be from the primary key column of the parent table only. The outside values are not valid. So it will raise a message to you. Yeah, let me insert one row created. Let me commit that. Now select start from product details. So you have the values from only 1, 2, 3, 4. There are no other company code is allowed into foreign key column. And here it also accepts a null value. Not only a null value, group of null values are also accepted. Later you have to update that product information with the corresponding company ID. Yeah, that's all about how to create a parent table, how to create a child table, and what is the use of referential integrity constraint. Without foreign key constraint, what is the problem? Any company code will be accepted. You are having only 4 companies. If you are trying to insert company 05, yes, it will be accepted if you are not having foreign key on that column. If it is accepted, the record, the product record is becoming as invalid. Why? Because you are the dealer for 4 companies. How do you maintain the product from some other company other than that 4 companies? That's wrong. That's why to maintain integrity among the table data, we have to use referential integrity constraints. Technically we can say like this, again I am repeating, to maintain integrity among the tables, we have to use referential integrity constraints. Yeah, that's all about referential integrity constraints. Yeah, hi. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about referential integrity constraints. Yesterday we have done with key constraints and domain constraints. Key constraints and domain constraints are helpful to maintain database consistency, whereas referential integrity constraint is helpful to maintain integrity of data among the tables. Integrity among the table data. How do I maintain integrity? Without integrity, what is the problem? With integrity, what is the advantage? These we can see in our screen. Thank you.